Okay, so in order to replicate this Nova setup, which I'd like to call as Vibrancy, step 1 would be to download Nova Launcher and set that as your default launcher. Now once you've done that, get into your Nova settings, click on look and feel, and then you will see an option called as show notification bar. Well, just make sure to go ahead and disable that, so this will basically give us this really nice and clean edge to edge effect. And yeah, all in all, it just makes the home screen setup look much more cleaner. Now once you've done that, get back into your Nova settings. This time click on home screen settings. Now set the desktop grid by 12 into 12. Now apart from that, set the icon size to about 63% and then click on dock and disable the dock. Now once you've done that, go back and this time click on look and feel, and you will see an option called as swipe indicator. So yeah, just make sure to disable this as well. Now once you've done that, it's time to change your icon pack. So for this setup, I'm using a very famous and free icon pack called as the Delta icon pack. So yeah, I mean the Delta icon pack has been around for a really long time now. So yeah, it supports a lot of different icons. Now apart from that, all these icons have a pastel shade to them. So yeah, it goes really well with this wallpaper. But up next, you'll have to change your wallpaper, and the wallpaper which I'm using for this setup is from an application called as Papers Wallpapers. So yeah, just open this app and search for pencils and you should see the wallpaper over there. Now as usual, I'll drop the direct download link of the wallpaper down below in the description, so you can directly go ahead and download it from there as well. But speaking about those widgets, then you will require KWGT and the KWGT Pro key. But speaking about the first KWGT plugin, then this is a plugin called as Toy for KWGT, and well, the widget number is 28. So this is basically a date and time widget, and apart from that, it does show us the battery life as well. Now it is worth mentioning that I have changed the color of this widget, but the next widget is from a plugin called as Nebbia for KWGT, and the widget number is 032. So this is basically a Google browser widget, and it's worth mentioning that I have changed the color of this widget again. And well, the last widget is from a KWGT plugin called as Mini Music Player for KWGT, and the widget number is 061. So this is basically a widget which allows you to pause and play music and skip between tracks as well. So yeah, if you'd ask me, it's a pretty useful widget. And yeah, as usual, you'll find all the apps used to replicate this setup, followed by my Nova Launcher backup file and the wallpaper direct download link down below in the description. So definitely make sure to check it out, and well, I'll leave you guys with that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.